I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, a supported iOS version and a working internet connection. Once done, open Settings and tap your name to access Apple ID. If you aren't signed in, enter your Apple ID and password now. You need this to enable iCloud. Make sure iCloud appears in the account menu, then tap iCloud to review options. This first step connects your device to Apple servers so you can manage storage, backups, and sync services centrally. Once signed in, decide whether the free 5 GB is enough. Make sure to tap Change Storage Plan to upgrade if needed. After selecting a plan, go back and toggle sync for each app you want: Photos, Contacts, Calendars, Notes, Messages, so data updates across devices. Then enable iCloud Backup and initiate a manual backup now to create an immediate copy. This secures your current state and prevents data loss while syncing keeps everything consistent across your other Apple devices. To finish, verify the backup completed by checking iCloud Backup's last backup timestamp in Settings. This confirms your data is stored. If you want to share storage, set up family sharing and allocate the plan to family members. Make sure devices you expect to sync are connected and set to the same Apple ID. If things go wrong, sign out and back into iCloud, confirm you have enough storage, restart the iPhone, then retry the backup. This sequence resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.